Running an air services organization is already a Herculean task, but keeping high standards in ground and hospitality services can take management duties to new heights, even more so when you're expanding into the African market. One of our clients attempting this path faced various challenges, from managing their accounting records in Excel to overcoming language barriers during implementation meetings. Tracking currency conversions in spreadsheets and dealing with redundant data entry of accounting records invited human error into their bookkeeping processes. Now, after implementing Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, they could streamline their entire accounting system and internal reporting. Learn more on our blog about how they now make better-informed decisions based on real-time information. Don't trust our word. Trust transparency and data. We have faith in your judgment, and we look forward to bringing efficiency to your operations as well.